Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will continue to learn how to speak everyday Filipino. Our lesson is about simple questions and answers in Filipino. This is part 3 of 3 videos on this topic. Let us start with a simple question, or in Filipino, simpleng tanong. The question is about asking someone to do an activity with you, to do things together with you. For example, let us play is laro tayo or maglaro tayo. The word us is tayo in Filipino. The word play is laro in Filipino. To say laro or maglaro means the same. You are still asking someone to play with you. So how do we answer that simple question of let us play? So a simple answer, mga simpleng sagot, you can say okay or sige. If you are talking to someone older than you would say okay po or sige po. Now here is an illustration using our new words. The boy said, let us play. The girl answers, okay. Here is the version in Filipino. Laro tayo? And the girl answers, okay. Remember, in Filipino, we use the word okay very commonly. Or you can also say sige. Okay and sige can be interchanged. Let us try another simple question or simpleng tanong. Let us play now. Laro na tayo? Where the word tayo is us, laro is play, and na is now. Now the word na also works for saying already. So if that question was, let us play already, it also translates to laro na tayo. Here is an illustration using our new words. The girl asked, let us play now. The boy answers, okay, let us play now. Here is the Filipino version. Maglaro na tayo? Sige, maglaro na tayo. Let us try another simple question. Let us eat first. Kain muna tayo. Or kumain muna tayo. Remember, us is tayo. And now we learn that eat is kain or kumain. And first is muna. Here is an illustration using our new words. The dad says, let us eat first. The boy answers, okay, let's eat first. In Filipino, kain muna tayo. Sige po, kain muna tayo. Here are the helper words that we have learned. Us is tayo. Now or already is na. First is muna. Let us look again at that useful word, sige. It is one of the most useful words in Filipino. You can use it to say, okay, sige po. Yes, sige po. Agreed, sige po. Go ahead, sige po. So it's quite useful because you can use the same word for okay, yes, agreed, and go ahead. Now here are some new words for you, words that you can use for practicing asking someone to do things together with you. For example, practice is magsanay, magpractice. Breakfast is mag-almusal. Snack, magmerienda. Lunch, magtanghalian. Dinner, maghapunan. Do you see the pattern here? When you want to do something, for example, you want to practice, you use mag plus the word for what you want to do. So in this case, you want to practice, so you say, mag-practice tayo or magsanay tayo. That's it for this lesson about asking someone to do things together with you. As a homework, practice saying the word sige and try using the new words that we have just learned. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!